Oh, no. Oh. I just want to make sure you're okay. You're not plotting anything, are you? Okay, I love you.
We're gonna have to sell your feet pictures. Oh.
Hello. You want to come over for a treat? I thought so.
Should I get a dog? Should I get a dog?
Are you guys hungry?
What? Is your food bowl empty?
Mr. Chief, face the camera.
Hey, buddy, I can't let you outside.
Go commit crimes. No, not that one. Not that one.
Shut up.
Kitty, kitty. No, your name is Kitty.
Alright, good night, Gally. Alright, Mac. Good night, Bob.
It's like his life is so hard. Oh, he doesn't like it.
Who's the meanest kitty of all? Why are you so mean?
Keep your paws closed, or you're gonna get off them. Thank you.